We have airdrops to go and claim and check. I know we've been taking all the information about the monad airdrop, but there's other airdrops that you need to go and check for yourself. So with that said, make sure to leave a like and we jump straight onto the laptop. First thing is about the breakout giveaway. As you see here, I'm giving away a one of the $10,000 evaluation account, which means an account with $10,000. All you gotta do is simply sign up to breakout through the link down below with my code. Grab yourself an account, and every different account grants you a few entries. So this is a giveaway that I'm doing in partnership with Breakout. Now, what is Breakout? Well, Breakout is a platform, and as we see here, it allows you to go and buy an account. I have the $50,000 account for only $450, meaning that I spent $450 to trade with $50,000, which we see here, and I made it to $55,000. And of course, a 10% of 50,000 is 5 grand profit, which is what I did in the last trade. And 10% of 450 is only $45. So that is why I use the Breakout prop firm account. It is backed by Kraken, the only prop firm to be backed by an L1 and being bought by Kraken itself. And to go and celebrate this one, let's go and open a trade. I will go and open a $22,000 Bitcoin trade and also a $18,000 long on link, as well as a little bit of a let's go and put an Ethereum $8,000 trade, as we see right here, and we started trading. So come and join. The link will be down below as well. For all the trading information, come and join me over on a Telegram, which is a free to join group. As you see here, I do share all my technical analysis, why invest long and short on Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Doge, any token XRP. So make sure to come and join. Link down below. Free to join this one, and I'll see you there. Next up, we talk about a few airdrops that you can go and earn now instead of checking and claiming. The first one is Pacifica, a perpetual DEX. As we see right here, Pacifica is at number 10, and it is going at a 1 billion 24 hours, more or less, if not also more. Now, the nice thing about Pacifica is that it's on the Solana ecosystem, so you simply connect your Phantom wallet, and as you see here, deposit USDC from your Phantom wallet. So make sure to go and join now. It is a closed beta, meaning that only a limited number of people can join the platform, and it is going to be the next big thing in my opinion. And as we see here, Hyperliquid already had the airdrop. Lighter airdrop is already too late to go and join. Edgex, Apex Protocol as well, Aiden, Raya, all of them. And so it comes down to Pacifica and Gravity, which I do like. Also Gravity, we talked about it and I will do a dedicated video on it. But Pacifica is right here. So make sure to go and join them. Make sure to go and trade the deposit. We got a point system as we see right here. Let me know if you are already part of it, your total point allocation down below. And to be eligible for Pacifica, what do you need to do? Simply keep $10,000 of trading volume a day in your wallet. What does it mean? Well, simply open a $200, as we see here, $200 50x long on Bitcoin or Ethereum, and simply close it immediately. As we see here, I will be able to go and do it as it is a $10,000 position. If we see here, this is the position. So make sure to go and do it. Make sure to keep your portfolio very, very simply long and short as we are able to go and see it. And then you will be good to go and earn yourself this airdrop, which in my opinion is going to be the next big thing with Gravity as well. But we're going to be talking about that tomorrow. So make sure to turn the notification bell on. Another airdrop to go and grab yourself is Titan. Now, Titan is what it used Jumper to be at the beginning. Simply a swap aggregator. Gives you the best route. As we see here, I already done some transaction. The link will be down below. They have a leaderboard. They have a performance leaderboard, which means airdrop. Everything that has a leaderboard nowadays has to go to the airdrop situation. So you might as well join. And in fact, it is the cheaper alternative out there to swap over, as we see here. It does as an aggregator. For example, from USDC, from Solana to USDC, $1.60, I receive $1.60. And we see here, Titan is the best price compared to what Jupiter or Pyth is, which it is really, really nice to see. So make sure to go and scale the leaderboard. Make sure to go and trade. Super, super simple and absolutely zero fees. Next up, we also, and by the way, Titan, as we see here on their Twitter, you know what's the nice thing about Titan? Well, they have raised $7 million about a month ago on a seed round led by the Galaxy Ventures, Galaxy HQ, to build the getaway. So it is backed, it is important, it is going strong, and I would definitely recommend you joining it because this could be early Jupiter vibe. Next up on the Solana ecosystem, we also have the Meteora airdrop. The token generation event is coming not tomorrow. Tomorrow is coming the checker. The airdrop checker, as we see here, the launch pool is coming tomorrow on October 16 at 12 p.m. UTC time. And you will receive the airdrop at the end of the month, more or less, or potentially in November. And how does it work? Well, super easy. I will leave the link down below to go and read it. But basically, your airdrop allocation that you will see tomorrow it will be placed on a liquidity pool, because Meteora is all about liquidity pool. So they basically open a liquidity pool for you to be able to go and earn as soon as the airdrop goes live, which then you can also withdraw from the liquidity pool and grab all of your allocation on USDC value. But would you be taking the USDC pool or would you be taking the USDC value? Personally, I would recommend, because of the insane amount of people that will be trading Meteora and USDC and will do the swaps and back and forth, I will actually leave my allocation on the pool, because Meteora is about to be one of the biggest projects and protocols on Solana ecosystem, and therefore I will leave it there and I will go and trade and I will go and collect fees from the reward of the airdrop that I will receive. And that will be tomorrow's my initial, not tomorrow because tomorrow is the checker, but when the whole airdrop comes out, that will be my strategy to go and maximize on this airdrop. Next up, today, potentially when you're seeing this video, in 2 hours from when I record this video in Europe time zone at 4:16, so in Europe time zone at 6:56, the Caldera airdrop is unlocked. So make sure to go through the link down below, which is going to be this one right here. You will be able to unstake your tokens, which are automatically staked, and you will be able to receive about 225 token balance. I have $94, so that I'm going to go and unstake it because Caldera has simply gone all the way down. But this will be my possibility. So make sure to go and claim it and let me know your allocation down below. Another one is the lab.pro over here, which as you see, I am not eligible for this one. All you gotta do, simply copy your wallet address, whether it is a Solana wallet address or whether it is a MetaMask wallet address, Phantom wallet address, whichever you want. As you see here, it is your BNB wallet. Simply go click on check eligibility, and if you are eligible, you will see it. If you're not eligible, you will see what I am looking at right now. Next up, we also have the Hyperswap airdrop allocation is this one right here, 78. I will leave the link down below. We did utilize it a bit, so let me know how much you did receive. Bear in mind, this is not going to be a $10 token. It's probably going to be a $1 to $2 to $3 token, which is good for what I've done. It's a few swaps. It's way more than the fees that we pay. So let me know what you think down below. Also, last but not least, we do have the Monad airdrop right here. And as you see here, I'm eligible for this airdrop. Now, I'm eligible for this airdrop not much because of the transaction I did, but because I had this Monad card, which we will see what it means later on. But I do have this card, and I'm in the second level of the airdrop. Let me know if you did receive the airdrop or if you did not receive the Monad airdrop. But technically, I am on the second level, and I actually don't know what it means. We don't know the actual allocation in terms of token value. We know which type of rank we are, and there are 6 ranks. If you're this one, is the second one, I believe, and there are others which I do try to go and find you right now. Let's go over here actually, and let's go to there was this guy that I do follow over here. Let me see if I can find it. Solana, it was Fabio.sol, this guy over here. Very nice guy, by the way. Does a lot of cool things over here on Twitter for the Solana ecosystem. And here we have it. So the participation, as we see here, is this one. And it seems like the community last was the biggest level, the one that you received the most. You're cooked, which is the one I am with, as we see right here. It is the second biggest one. And theoretically, this is on a $5 billion valuation, considering a 10% airdrop allocation. Only 10% to the community, which could be 20%, could be 30%, could be more, could be less. We will see it. But technically, these are how the level goes. Community last is the biggest one. Your cooked is the second biggest one. Third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. So let me know where do you stand on this one. Let me know what is your technical allocation and your overall allocation for this one. But we could be looking good. Now, I know the whole Indian community is upset about it. It is what it is. They have decided like this one. Potentially, they will be going back on their tracks now that they will see it. But with that said, guys, make sure to let me know what you think down in the comments below. Come and join me on Telegram. Come and join me everywhere. And I will see you all tomorrow. Ciao, guys.